Hi viewers, I am Subhash, radiographer and tutor working in Grace College of Allied Health Sciences, Kanyakumari, which is in Padantalamudu. And today I would like to share some good work practices in radiology department. This is especially for radiographers, how to have a good work practice. And under that I will like to share some important points with you. Make a note of it, and let's move to the subject. And first point for that is, any X-ray examination should be carried out only after a critical evaluation of patient condition in order to avoid radiation exposure. Have a good communication with the patient. Always I used to advise my students to have a good communication with the patients. While having a good communication with the patient, we can explain them about the procedure and what we are going to do during the procedure. And while doing the chest radiography, all radiographers know what is the importance of holding the breath, right? So if you have a good communication with the patient, and you can order them and you can make a trial of them before doing the exposure. So before doing a radiation exposure, we can have a practice. Ask the patient to hold the breath and to take a deep breath and hold it. We can give the orders and make them to practice. So you should have a good communication with the patient. Ask them the patient history, check with their names, check with their age, check with their histories. Okay, this is more important. This will comes under the good work practice of the radiology, work practice in radiology by radiographers. And next is, overcrowding in the department should be avoided. So overcrowding should be avoided. Make them feel privacy. And no trainees and student radiographers are allowed to handle the machine. All radiographers should wear the personal monitoring devices, lead aprons, and all radiographers are not allowed to hold the patient while doing the procedure. Ask the bystander of the patient to hold the patient. And if a bystander is holding the patient, make them available with the lead apron. And use the maximum good quality radiographs. Like, the movement artifact is one of the factors affecting the quality of the radiograph. So use the immobilization devices. Mostly you should have a good communication. If you are communicating easily with the patient, then we can understand what is the importance of holding the breath or what is the importance of being immobilized. So we can have a good quality radiograph. Then the field of view should be minimized to remove the scatter radiation. Only the region of interest should be collimated, so that we can reduce the amount of scatter radiation. And use the good FFD. For example, while doing the chest radiography, to avoid to remove the magnification, we will use 190 centimeter FFD there. So always use the good FFD. And another important thing is, while performing radiograph for female patient, you should collect them the LMP. That is much more important. We should follow the 10-day rule. 10-day rule. 10-day rule means no radiographic examination should be carried out after the 10th day of menstruation period. So the urgent and non-urgent cases of the radiographs can be done within the onset of first day of the onset of menstruation to the 10th day. So between these days are said as the safest period. We can perform all radiograph, and after 10th day is said as the fertilized age or period. So during that period we cannot perform any lower abdomen radiograph or pelvic radiograph to the female patient. So you should bear in mind that while performing procedure or radiograph for female patient, collect the LMB. And another important point is all radiographers should maintain a logbook. We can have the model of the machine, when it is purchased, date of purchase, what is the cost, maintenance, quality, QA has been done or not, and what is the due date for the QA. So we have to maintain logbook. So these are the quality work practice or good work practice in the Department of Radiology. And I think this video is useful to all the radiographers. And if you have any doubt or anything related to this, you kindly text me in this comment box. And please like and subscribe this video. See you in the next topic soon. Thank you.